The topic for today, while we learn how to drive in manual mode, is street takeovers and why it is the dumbest thing to ever happen to the car community. What is going on, guys? Welcome to part 2 of learning how to drive the G in manual mode. Of course, if you guys can see or may not see, it is currently manual mode. So the G loves to go into manual mode in PA, because in New York City, it did not want to go into manual mode. So we are heading off in the daytime this time again. I actually did a vlog at nighttime, but it was too dark. The topic for today, while we learn how to drive in manual mode, is street takeovers and why it is the dumbest thing to ever happen to the car community. For those of you who do not know what a street takeover is, usually in the general terms, Jesus, I can't seem to shift and talk at the same time now because there's a lot of cars. See, this is why I couldn't do it in New York City, because there was a lot of cars like this and I have to pay attention. I lose my train of thought. Anyway, we are headed to a park, see if we can have some quality tans. We could talk about this joint. Well, anyway, see what's goody. A street takeover is a flash mob that gather at a specific place and they just block it off and they do shenanigans. Why is it considered part of the car community? Well, the simple answer is because they use cars to do their stupidity. That's the only reason. Why is it dangerous? Well, first of all, not all street takeovers are the same. There's some more mature people than others. But what's causing the problem is what they do in these street takeovers. Usually there's 1 or 2 cars that they gather up in a circle and they do donuts, going round and round, round and round, round and round, round and round. Some people take turns. Usually you see 1 or 2, maximum 3 cars doing it, but usually it's 2 cars. Here's where it gets dicey and it differs from group to group, right? The majority of people, they do donuts and that's it. They have a good time. Ooh, we're back to the street. Ooh, we did it. We're the king of the world. And that's it. Then they go home. But now, in recent times, there have been this new era of dumbasses that have come up. And what they do is, while the car's doing donuts, some of them, either they get in there to get a really close shot of the donuts, and then some of them actually get in there to dodge the car right before it hits them. You know, like a 2-year-old would. And then some of them go the extra mile and actually want to get hit by this car. And if you survive without no damage, everybody applauded. The reason that it's affecting the real car community, is because when real car people gather, then the cops shut it down because they think it's the same people. But let me tell you guys, if you are a cop and you're seeing this video right now, let me tell you, there are different breeds to this, you know what I'm saying? Actually, let me downshift a little bit so I can do a little bit up. That feels so freaking good. All right, let me calm down. It might be a cop or something. That is why this plague of street takeovers is ruining the car community. It is not the same breed. The street takeovers is its own stupidity, and real car guys is its own brand, right? Its own legacy. Because, you know, being a car lover, is nothing wrong with it. There's nothing wrong with going to a car meet at nighttime or the daytime or whatever have you, as long as it's a respectful car meet. You can get rowdy, you can do, you know, some donuts and stuff, rev your engine, you know, have a good time. But to jump in front of a car to get hit to see if you survive. Oh my God, I can't stress how dumb that is. Woo. 5,000 RPMs. Woo. Check this out, fellas. Ooh, I think it's full. Peligro. Danger. Let's see if it's empty. There's a lot of people I won't record. If it's empty, it's gonna be my lucky day. Yeah, and it's empty. Look at that. Super peaceful. Does look like a river. I want to take a dip right now. Now, what are the ingredients for you to have a really bad situation, right? You need bad fame, check. You need stupid kids, check. You need cops involved, check. You need the news involved, check. You need accidents, check. You need deaths, check. This thing checks off all the checks that you need to make it a really dumb and stupid situation or a stupid organization. I mean, just look at this river for a second. Look at that. Look at that. Peaceful. You don't see this in New York City, nope. So all of that combined give you the answer to what it is. I don't even have to say it's stupid. I don't even have to say it's a negative thing for the car community, because the ingredients tell you what it is. That's it. You know that saying, tell me who you're hanging out with and I'll tell you who you are? But if you want my honest and complete answer as to what I think about street takeovers, is that it's the dumbest and stupidest thing that ever happened to the car community. So I hope it dies down and these young kids like wise up and just stop it. I don't even have to say it's like the dumbest thing on earth. The recipe's there. Look at what it's made of, and it will let you know if it's good or bad, you know? Ooh. Let me take a dip real quick. No, I'm not gonna take a dip, but I just want a picture real quick. People are gonna think I'm crazy, but people already think that. Ooh wee! Look at that. That's pretty deep in there. They say it's stocked with trout, but I've never seen a trout. Oh, look at my dinner right there. Hey, are you a duck? And I am gonna try and also to do a vlog POV on the bikes. I haven't done that, but I will. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Went into Manuel, baby. Went back on business. Let me get up in here. It's pretty deep. Okay. So we're back on manual mode. We are back to the training video. So you can see the views are outstanding. Is that a Camaro? That thing is beautiful. Just beautiful. I just wanted to see what's out here, and I am not disappointed. That Camaro looks delicious. Oh, somebody's in there. Wow, that's a nice one, man. That's a real nice car right there. That is my thoughts about these street takeovers. If you have any different views, please let me know in the comment section down below. We can have a mature conversation about this. Tell me why it is cool to have people dying at these street takeovers. Now tell me, why is it cool to have innocent people that have nothing to do with street takeovers die? Mothers, kids, family members die. Like this freaking squirrel. Get the... Boy, if you don't get out the road, I'm about to make your squirrel lunch. Man, he literally stood right in front of the road. I don't know if you guys saw him. Suicidal, that freaking squirrel, man. But the views of Pennsylvania, oh my God. Pennsylvania has so much beauty. If you have a different view, like I said, please let me know in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this type of content, please give me a like on this video. Until next time, guys, God bless. Stay prayed up. Peace.